We will continue with our code and we'll manipulate the variables by starting to delete this. If we look at our program carefully, we see that we have manipulated age here to strings. So we're going to try manipulate the numeric variables. I'm going to start by commenting out age here at this level, and I'm going to put age equal 30, and I'm going to run my program. Everything works normally. That's because there is no difference between them. Age equals between hooks 30 and age equals input. What is your age? Because it is the element that occupied it. There is no difference because age takes a string. Well, here we will try to manipulate age with the numeric number. And to do this, I'm going to start with, since we're going to do the test, this is going to be better. We're going to put in a fixed name TD, and here I'm going to put in age at 20. If I run my code, we see that there is an error simply because at age equals to 20, I take the value, the type int, and here I take the string type if I put at this level. Okay, I'm going to try to convert this to a string age because it's not a string. You'll see that it works very well if I do str. I run my code, you see it works perfectly. If I look at the type of name, it's a print in brackets, and I'll run it. You can see that name is type of string. If I do the same thing for age, you will see that age is of type input age. I run my code. Age is indeed of type in. Convert a number into a string. You just have to put the str in the front. Well, here it's fixed. I'm going to copy at this level. Why are we trying to see the addition? And I'm going to put next year you will have. Here I'm going to put age, which I'm going to call here. So age is equal to 20 years. I run my program, and you can see that your name is Titi and that you are 20 years old. Next year you will be 21. This is wrong because if I put in this label 18 years old and I launch my code, it puts that you are 18 years old and next year you will be 21 years old. That is wrong. So that is a dynamic program. Instead, we're going to add age plus a 1 for the next age. I'll put age plus 1 and I run my code. Everything works normally at this point. We have just manipulated strings and numbers. We must know that there are also other types like the float type, which are the numbers with comma, for example 1.5, 2.4. With decimal numbers, there are always points, and we also have the boolean types that are true or false. These are the boolean types. Now we're going to try to ask the user to enter their name and age and displaying this on the screen. Here we have already converted numbers with the strings, and in the following video I will show you how to convert a string into a number.